Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-minute chemistry, where you give you chemistry topics and examples in 5 minutes or less. This is our covalent bond series going from formula to name, and this is the second example. Let's get naming. And welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-minute chemistry, and we're working on taking covalent compounds and their formulas and converting them into proper names. So again, if you've not watched the Greek prefixes video, this is a great time to pause and go review that video, or you can just jump right in. So we're going to start by our diagramming. So C is first, and there's one of them, there's no subscript. So that goes with the prefix mono. For the carbon, for the hydrogen, it goes with with 4 of them. So the subscript is 4. This is going to be the prefix tetra. Now, I accidentally told you the name already, but you would have known anyhow. C goes with carbon. So you write the name under it. And H goes with hydrogen. But because it's the second element, you take that roots we talked about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and review the common non-metallic roots. So it becomes HYDR, which is the root of hydrogen, and it becomes I, so it becomes hydride. Now we take all of our components and put them together. Now remember, we don't use mono for the first element because you're writing it one time, so you don't have to write mono element. Writing it the first time counts as the mono. So this becomes carbon, tetrahydride. Okay then, everybody, thank you so much for watching Always Eclectic Chemistry. This is Stacy. This was 5-minute chemistry. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our videos. Have a great day.